Go on. You okay?
Do I know you?
More than you think. I'm you. From the future.
Does that mean we made it? We became a footballer?
Of course. We built wonderful things together.
And do we become a good dad? Like our dad?
Of course we do, no doubt about it.
Can I ask one more thing?